Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making lemongrass and beer steamed clams. For this dish I'm actually using frozen clams. I've never used these before, but we need 2 pounds. And these came in my Asian grocery delivery, so I'm excited to try them out. We're also going to need a beer. I'm using a sour beer because I want that bitterness in there, but use whatever you have. So to start this dish we need to zest the half of 1 lime and just pop that zest right into a bowl. We also need the juice of half of this lime. We'll use the other half for garnish. So setting that aside, we also need to mince up 3 cloves of garlic, 2 chilies of your choice. I'm using bird eye, 1 small shallot into a small dice. And then we're going to take the back of our knife and bash 4 stalks of lemongrass. We're only going to use those tender white parts and cut these into 2-inch little batons. We're pretty much ready to go over the stove. So popping that into a tray for easy transport. And over on the stove, you should be heating up a large saute pan over medium-high heat. To this, we're going to add a tablespoon of neutral oil, add in all of our aromatics, and let that stir fry for 5 minutes to really release that lemongrass. Then we're going to pour in 8 ounces of beer, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar and a half tablespoon of fish sauce. And we want to also add in the zest of our lime and the juice before bringing this up to a boil and letting this simmer away for about 5 minutes to burn off some of that alcohol. So adding in the zest and the lime, bringing that up to a boil, and after 5 minutes we can go ahead and add in our clams. I did rinse these off a little bit, and I'm curious to see how these are going to taste. And you can see some of them are already opening, which is very exciting. So we're going to cover this up with the lid and just steam this until all of our clams are open, which should take about 5 to 8 minutes. And this is probably the fastest dish I've ever made in my life. Now to plate, I've just put this into a large bowl. We're going to add in a nice healthy garnish of cilantro. Leave that out if you have that soap gene that some people have when they taste cilantro. Just popping that on top. And for a little extra flavor, I'm going to add a chiffonade of basil. A couple of lime wedges for a garnish, and this is looking beautiful. I'm so excited to try this, so I almost forgot to show you. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. This is amazing. They taste just like fresh clams, probably because they flash freeze them at the freshest part. You can taste the sourness from the beer, the saltiness from the fish sauce, that sourness from the lime as well, the heat from the chilies, that hint of sweetness from the sugar, and this is absolutely satisfying and extremely delicious. But there it is, lemongrass and beer steamed clams. I hope y'all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate you. We're almost up to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you all so much enough. If you liked this video, please give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.